Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lamb doner at home. It's much easier than what you'd expect and tasty as well. This is what you'll need: half a kilo of lamb mince, preferably with some fat. These are the spices you will need: salt, garlic powder, paprika, dried oregano, onion powder, ground cumin, ground coriander and black pepper. Add all the spices to the lamb mince and mix well. Form a thick roll, rather like a log shape. Place it on a piece of greaseproof paper and tightly roll. Twist the ends so it's like a sweet. Place this on a baking tray and freeze, ideally overnight. Take it out the freezer and put it to one side about 15 minutes before you're actually going to cook it. Unroll it just before you're going to cut it. Melt some butter in a pan on a low heat. Use a clean tea towel to grip the frozen meat. Cut off the bottom to form a sturdy base. Then stand it on that base and cut long strips. Make sure you use a sharp knife as it makes the cutting easier. I'm using a bread knife. When you've cut off one portion's worth of strips, fry them in the pan. Cook them for a few minutes on each side until they're a light golden colour. You can serve this any way you like. We like ours with chips, or you can put them in a pita bread with some sauces and salad. Thanks for watching. I hope you do give this a try. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also check out my other videos.